Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you how to get the bonnet open on a Toyota Estima, Lucida, Toyota Previa as well. They're all the same chassis. So you might need to get the bonnet open for like checking the screen wash, power steering fluid. There's a few other things under there as well. So I'll flip the camera around now and show you how to do it. So on these, you want to go to the driver's side, which is always going to be the right-hand side because they only made right-hand drive ones. And basically, if you go in through the driver's door and just below your ignition key, if you follow that down, there's a little handle here. If you just pull that, that will pop the bonnet. And then once the bonnet is popped, if you just look below the badge and slightly to the right, there's a little handle here that basically pushes up. And then once you push that up, you can lift the bonnet up. And then the bonnet stay is clipped up under the bonnet. And you just pull that downwards at that holder. And then put it down here. And just above the headlight is where it rests. And then to put the bonnet down again, it's the same thing. Just clip it back into this holder like that. And then just let it down with its own weight. Like that, and it will shut. So that is how to open the bonnet on a Toyota Estima or Previa. If that has helped you, make sure you leave a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.